box today.
Can you tell what today's sound will be? P.
We are the twinning turtles.
The P sound. P and P make P. 2 letters, 1 sound.
Phonics, 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 phonics.
Mama T loves phonics. Welcome to Mama T's Phonics. We're out exploring at the seaside. Crab needs your help reading the P words. Can you help him? Put your lips together and say P. P.
Thank you.
All these words have the P sound. If you need to, use the pictures to help you read them. H-A-P-E. Happy. Happy. He looks really happy on the beach. N-A-P-E. Nappy. Nappy. Babies wear a nappy. S-up-air. Supper. A fish supper. M-up-et-s. Muppets. The Muppets. Have you watched them on Sesame Street? P-e-p-er. Pepper. Pepper. Whoa, really hot, spicy peppers. Well done helping the crab read the words. Do you remember this sound? Oh, look! The twinning turtles have found Peppa. Peppa has her swimming clothes on. Peppa. Can you see our sound? Now the twinning turtles need you to find the pictures with the P sound. Be careful, one of the pictures does not have the P sound. Puppy, brick. Can you hear the P sound? Puppy. Pineapple, boss. Can you hear the P sound? Yes, pineapple. Muffin, puppet. Can you hear the P sound? Puppet. Well done, you found all the pictures with P. Hi, turtles. Can we practice saying it aloud? Everybody, let me hear. P, P, P. Next, you need to practice reading the sentences and finding the P words that fit. At the zoo, I saw a hippo, rhino. Which one fits? Hippo. Hippo has the P sound. I ate a spicy red pepper cake. Which one fits? Pepper. Pepper has the P sound. My tree grew a juicy apple cheese. Which one is it? My tree grew a juicy apple. Well done reading the sentences. Hey, have you seen our book and phonics game? It's available on our UK Etsy shop. Just look out for Mama T Phonics. If you're not in the UK, you can download these digitally and loads of more resources on Etsy as well as my Teachers Pay Teachers shop. Links can be found at the top of the YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up underneath the screen. Wait, before you go, subscribe to my videos.
Come back for next video and subscribe.